the Medicinal Marvels, exploring the health benefits of herbs. Are you ready to unlock the incredible health benefits of herbs? Join us as we explore the medicinal marvels of nature's botanical wonders. Let's start with turmeric, known for its vibrant color and potent compound, curcumin. This herb has been shown to alleviate symptoms of arthritis, improve digestive health, and aid in preventing chronic diseases. Next up, garlic. Rich in allicin, garlic exhibits antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. Regular consumption may help lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and boost the immune system. Ginger, with its spicy flavor and therapeutic effects, is renowned for its anti-inflammatory and anti-nausea properties. It's commonly consumed to alleviate nausea, aid digestion, and reduce muscle pain. Incorporating these herbs into your daily routine can be a simple yet effective way to support overall health and well-being. Whether enjoyed as a flavorful addition to meals or brewed into soothing teas, the medicinal marvels of herbs offer a natural approach to wellness backed by centuries of traditional wisdom and scientific research. Embrace the power of herbs and embark on a journey to a healthier, more vibrant life.